McCrack! Yo, JD!
Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a Tinker Crate unboxing and I'm really excited to see what's in this Tinker Crate this month. And if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like this to give you curriculum ideas or organizational ideas for your homeschool experience. So if you're interested in those things, please subscribe below and let's get into this box. So it says it's a flying disc machine. So engineering a launching machine that sends discs flying. That sounds exciting. My son is gonna love it. I don't know if I'll love it if the discs are all over my house, but he's gonna love it. Okay, so when we open it up, let me show you, sorry. We have our blueprints on the top, which is pretty typical of how this goes. So we open our instructions. So most of the instructions are on the back. I always have them upside down, so I have to make sure that they're the right way when I show them to you. And then recently, most of the stuff on the back of these have been extra crafts that they could do or extra things they send in here that you can add to the experience to elaborate upon it. So here's the little booklet that comes with it for the Tinker Zone. And it usually gives some background or different math behind it or science behind what you're doing. So this says discs versus rings. It has some different aerodynamic things. So this is a great teaching tool for if you want to expound upon the project they're doing. You could do more than just, okay, here's the box, do the project. You could also look at this book after and research some more, especially if they're super interested in the project that time. So I really love that it comes with this resource. So in here, we have, I don't know what these are. There's something we're gonna use. This looks like a little machine that has the wires coming out of it, probably to fling your discs. And then our little battery pack right here with batteries. So it does come with the battery, good to know. The little foam parts. These ones tend to come with lots of foam parts. That's how a lot of them get put together. Okay, this has a lot of little wood pieces and some plastic pieces you aren't really gonna be able to see very well. But so this looks like the base for the disc throwing machine. And then we have all of our screws and nuts in there. And they always come with battery use instructions. So if you are unfamiliar with batteries, they give you instructions. And that looks like all in this box this month. And so I'm excited to let my son get into it and see what his favorite part is and to let you know all the different activities that they have in the booklet that we can do. So I'm gonna let him at it and we'll let you know how it goes. Welcome back. We're here with our Tinker Crate unboxing that Mazer has finished. So this
baseball card.
Yeah. Anyways, it has these little discs. Can you hold up the disc for it? So the little discs that go with it. So you turn it on.
Yeah.
You want to put it in that side? Here, grab it. Whoa! Here, put it on that side.
Remember.
So it was a lot of fun for him to build it. It was really quick for him to build it. And in the book, it mentions target practice. So this is kind of what it looks like, if you can see it. So you can use the box and you can make a target. And so this is what he did. He cut out the hole and then he used a bag. This was all his idea, and he got the tape and he put it all together. So he uses it now to try to shoot the discs into it and has a lot of fun with that. And the book also suggested, so these discs, the centers pop out. So you can try shooting with them like this, and then you can take the centers out and shoot them with like this and just see which one goes further. You know, if they have a hole in the middle, if they're gonna go further, or if they're just one solid disc, if they'll go further or not. So that was really fun. There's a lot of different experiments you could do with it. It talks a lot about aerodynamics in the book. So we really enjoyed this project. I think Mazer did. Now he's looking through the hole. Okay, what was your favorite part about this?
The disc shooting.
You like shooting the disc? That's a lot of fun. Was there something that you thought was really hard?
What I did it all on the wrong side. I was supposed to be this side instead of this side.
So he did it backwards. It was supposed to be on this side instead of this side, but it didn't make a difference. So I guess it was okay. And I think for the most part, it was fine. You have to adjust a little bit to make sure the discs are hitting this part and this. So he needed a little help with that to adjust it so that it would shoot him out. And it comes with a battery, but we actually already went through that battery. So within like the first 2 hours. So either they just ran a ton or the battery wasn't that good. So now we have our own battery in here, and that one's been doing fine. So the battery it comes with might not be the best battery. But other than that, we really enjoyed the box this month, and we are very excited to see what next month has in store for us. So if you're interested in seeing more of these types of things, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe below, and we will see you next time.